y'all, in today's video we're going to be taking down these mini twists that have been in my head for about a month now. But before we get into that, welcome back to my channel. My name's Raven. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path to living your best life. So as you can see, as we were getting started, I already put some oil in my hand, and this oil mixture I just make at random. It's whatever oil is in the house. So I think this time around I added some coconut oil, some olive oil, as well as some little essential oils like cinnamon, tea tree, and stuff like that. And what I'm doing now is just taking down the twists one by one, but as I'm taking them down, I'm making sure to separate my hair with these twists. So as I'm doing this, I'm making sure that I'm very gentle with my hair, but as you can see, sometimes I do get a little bit frustrated, especially when there's knots forming. And since these have been in my head for about a month now, it is a little bit tangled, especially at the root. So just make sure that you're being very gentle if you're taking down your mini twists with me. Or if you're just watching for future reference, just be very gentle with your hair and use a lot of oil, okay? Or at least something with slip. But hey y'all, I have been gone from this channel for 2 weeks now. I posted a short 2 weeks ago, and then after that I went a little bit MIA. But that's because I've been working on Manifest Raven YouTube channel. If y'all haven't checked out that channel, go ahead, especially if you like things such as self-concept, manifestation, meditations, and affirmations. Go ahead and check that channel out. I need some love. I need some love. And you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think of our road through the hood.
Y'all, if my hair wasn't so dirty, I most definitely would be wearing this as a twist out, because just look how cute that is. But anyway, we're on our last little leg. After we're done taking down this section, we're going to twist it up, and then we're going to finish out the rest of the sections.
Watch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke, that's my best combination. You just need some dig with no complications.
And boom, this is what it's looking like. I absolutely love when my hair is this texture. It's so cute. But what we're going to do now is add in some more of that oil and just massage our scalp. Get up any of that dead skin that is on our scalp right now, since we did not wash our hair during this mini twist experience. I learned from my past mistakes, okay? And what I'm doing here really is just making sure I'm getting the biggest shed hair out before I put it up in this plastic bag and go to sleep, because the next day I'm going to be washing my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and comment down below any new videos that you would like to see from me. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all. What's a girl to do? She needs love, sometimes need love too.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.